So I am going to strip the copper wire that I'm going to use to make the copper wire frets on the guitar neck. So a couple of things to keep in mind is you want to have a really sharp blade in your razor knife when you do it. I'm using 14 gauge wire because that seems to be the right size and it bends around the neck really well. So to strip it, I strip one side first and then I'll flip it over and I'll do the other side. The trick is to lay it down on a flat surface and then adjust the angle of your razor knife such that it is just scoring over the top of the wire to remove the insulation without nicking the wire. So if you get it in there and you get it started, then what you can do is you can just pull the wire through as you're pinching the razor knife down onto the surface of the wire, which is on the surface of my bench top. So I got one side, I'm going to flip it over to do the other. Again, keep the angle of the razor blade just riding over the wire to strip it without scoring the wire. Then if you've done it right, you should be able to grab the insulation, pull it back off the wire, make sure you don't have any kinks in your wire, and now the wire is ready for when I'm ready to install them on the fretboard.